How to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard or Gboard Auto Space After Punctuation on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on General Management. After that, we scroll down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. From here, go down, then tap on Gboard. Next, tap on Text Correction. Then scroll down. And from here, tap on Auto Space After Punctuation. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. In here, said Beta Insert Space After Punctuation. Only available in US English keyboard. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.